RF connector, cable assembly. RF connector and cable assembly. Both telecommunication and broadcasting spread out all over the world, and they now influence our daily lives significantly. 5G and UHD TV would be two of the most well-known topics in this modern day. To embrace the new trend, it's our commitment to provide both coaxial connectors and cable assemblies in consistent quality. Furthermore, both machining parts and antennas are added to our product line as well to pursue vertical integration. We accumulated designing capability through OEM in the past, and our R&D team is now fully capable of ODM. Both ISO 9001 and 14001 certificates were applied to get our company well organized and take care of the environmental issue at the same time. Customer-based orientation is always our policy, and it covers from designing, manufacturing, inspecting, packaging, to shipping entirely. Since employees are our most important assets, we have both internal and external training courses to sharpen their skills and widen their knowledge. Under this IoT world, it's better to get connected with customers through digital marketing strategy instead of the traditional way. It helps us tap further into the global market more effectively. Upon the arrival of M2M, S-Conn is also devoted to automation in order to further upgrade our production capacity and product quality. Automation to enhance our productivity and quality assurance would be the next move. What we expect more is to be a solution provider more than just a supplier. The image we try to bring to our customers is not only the products, but also the overall achievement from culture, organization, training to future. Let's connect the world prospect.